Check out this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, premium wheels give a more luxurious look. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: passenger airbag, stability control, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.